It's been the ruin of many a soul's pain. Thank God I'm here again. Its shelves are full of logos, and there's scenics everywhere. My woman starts to panicky when I'm headed there. It has everything a toddler needs that will keep them coming back. 'Cause the only time they'll be satisfied is when they lay new track. Tell your loved ones to avoid this place like pain. Spend their pay on train accessories at the shop called the Poland Trade. Well, I got one foot in the doghouse, the other foot at the shop. I'm going back to the Poland train. Oh Lord, I just can't stop. Well, there is a shop in my hometown they call the Poland Train, and it's been the ruin of many a poor staff. But here I go again.